Hi YouTube. Today is Tuesday, January 17th. A few of you have asked me to do an EDC update, and I looked back and noticed that the last one I did was in August. So yeah, it's about time. This sign here, I made this for you guys. I just want to thank you and let you know I appreciate all your support, everybody who watches my videos, all the comments. Yeah. Thank you guys. What can I say? If you weren't watching, there'd be no point in making videos, right? All right. And since I've been unemployed for 13 days today, I've been watching more of other people's videos. So there you go. It's all good. Okay, let's get on with the EDC update. It's January in Washington State, so sometimes it is pretty cold. So I wear a knit cap. It's actually polyester. It's not extremely warm, but if you're just outside for short periods of time, that's a good thing to have. Leather jacket. I do love my leather jacket. In the pockets, a few things. Quick lighter, Skittles chapstick, Phoenix L1S light. Takes a single AA battery. It's just a on-off, not a multi-mode. This is just, I don't really clip it to anything. I just wanted something on it. So when I reach in my pocket, I instantly know which end is the button. You know? Yeah. So I put this thing on it. What the heck? It's also something to play with while it's in my pocket. Yeah, because I kind of OCD like that. This jacket also has inside pockets. This side, cell phone. Box of cobalt gum. It's got gum and also toothpicks. Yeah. Okay, that's all for the jacket. When I go for walks, since I'm unemployed, I've got all this free time, and I love just going for a walk. I've gone almost every day since I've been unemployed. Take a neck knife. This is just a cheap little Ridge Runner neck knife, but I love it. I actually have not found one I like better. It was about 10 bucks. Rubberized skeleton handle, lightweight. 440 steel, easy to sharpen. The thing with a neck knife is, I don't know why, but for some reason I'm like a little paranoid about getting attacked by pit bulls. There are dogs around here, but none of my neighbors has pit bulls. They did at one time. But anyway, yeah, the thing with the neck knife is you can deploy it with either hand. If you go to block and a dog gets a hold of your arm, you can grab the neck knife with either hand, right? All right, so that's the reason for that. Okay, pockets. Wallet. This is my CountyCom Nyla wallet. I like it a lot. Actually, of all the wallets I've tried, and I've tried a lot, this is my favorite wallet to date. It's just a simple little wallet with an outside credit card slot on each side. Windows on the inside. I just keep my cash like right here in the middle. And it doesn't fall out. When my pants are tight enough that it stays put. When I pull it out, I pinch the wallet tightly and the money doesn't fall out. All right? Okay. Back pocket on this side. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. So far, my favorite EDC knife. Also on this side, front pocket, folding nail clippers. I have minimized my keyring, so I have the clicker for the car key, and house key. I got rid of all those silly little plastic tags from stores. Fisher Space Pen. I love this pen. Recommended by Cutlery Lover. And when I saw this, I had to have one. Alright? It's round on both ends. It's only like, I don't know, 3.5 inches long. Fits in your pocket. Always ready for you. Also, my little appreciation stone my friend Teresa gave me. You know, it's just, well, it's just a little rock, right? But when I reach in my pocket and I find it in there, it just reminds me to appreciate what I have, alright? Yeah. On this side, left side, Zippo. My favorite Zippo of all time is the Ace of Spades. This is new. Little plastic test tube container with a screw-on lid. It's watertight, airtight, whatever, with toothpicks in it. I like having toothpicks with me. I don't know. It's just one of those things. And I've experimented with other toothpick holders, and so far this is what I like best. Alright. It's dust-proof, waterproof, and I deleted from my EDC my little aspirin holder. Remember that? A little metal box for aspirins. Since I'm not working, I'm not having so many headaches. Interesting, huh? But if I wanted to, there is room in here to put some aspirin. Yeah. Also, new pocket light. This is a Photon 2 copy. The Photon 2 is like $12 with shipping. This is a Chinese copy, just as bright, $4. Smallest flashlight I've ever seen. It's flat. It does have yeah. I put a little lanyard on it, so when I reach in my pocket, I know which end to switch, right? Also, Victorinox Tinker Swiss Army knife. I no longer carry the Leatherman P4, but I do have Swiss Army knife as a backup to the Spyderco, and because of all the tools inside, right? Yeah. Getting stuff done. Okay, that's all in the pockets. Also, Casio G-Shock watch. I love it. Of all the watches I've had so far, this is my favorite watch. Spinner ring. And I've been wearing this paracord bracelet. Lately, that's what I'm wearing. Alright, so that's it. That is my EDC update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.